Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect to Wi-Fi without a password on Android phone. So this is my Android phone, and suppose this is your family member, friend or someone else phone. Okay, first take his permission, and after taking the permission follow these instructions. Now in his Android phone, open the app drawer and go to settings. Okay, now in settings go to connections. Okay, now in connections here you can see Wi-Fi. Tap on Wi-Fi. So you can see this network is currently connected, which is my network, and you can see a setting dialog box. Tap on it, and guys, you can see QR code icon over there. As you can see here, a QR code icon over there. Now tap on it. So here you can see my network. Scan this QR code on another device to connect to my network without entering the password. Okay, now in your Android phone, open app drawer, go to settings. Now go to connections, and in connections tap on Wi-Fi and turn it on. And now guys, over you can see a QR code icon over there. As you can see a QR code icon over there. Now tap on it. Okay, now scan this, and guys, as you can see my network is successfully connected to your Android phone without entering any password. As you can see now, this Wi-Fi network is successfully connected to your Android phone without need of any password. So guys, this is the method to connect to Wi-Fi without a password on Android phone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and yes, please don't forget to click on the bell icon for the latest updates.